Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Get Updater. Click on seat allotment result. Since you have to complete all the procedure by 14, so kindly do it as early as possible. Pay the fees and verification officer will verify all the documents. So do it as early as possible. Now click on seat allotment result. Here you will be seeing the choice you have been allotted. Click on download seat allotment letter. Please download it for future reference. Here all the details would be present. So kindly download on pay seat acceptance fee. Now you have to enter the bank details and other things because if in case of refund they will process to the same account. Click on online payment and do the same as before. Now here willingness selections. So you have three choices: floating, freezing, sliding. So floating means you have like preference order you would have given. In that you will be allotted the higher preference. Like if you have received like 10th preference right now, you will be allotted above 9 preferences if you click on floating. If you click on freezing, there will be no upgradation. You will be accepting the seat. Click on sliding. Then the same institute you will be given higher colleges. Now click any one of the option and proceed. Enter your password to confirm the same. Since other rounds are there, try to select float option if you are not satisfied. Then confirm with your password and OTP. Now willingness details mentioned here. Now you can upload all the documents. Click on upload documents. Here you have to give your photo, signature, or like proof of birth, date of birth. So you try to give 10th certificate, and then Aadhaar card you can provide. Then 12th, then all semester you have to provide. Else you have to give whichever semester you have result. Provide your degree certificate of professional one, GATE score, and EWS or caste certificate. Now you will be, after that you need to verify. Click on self-verified options. If it is correct, else edit the same. Click on federal submit. After that, you can view your uploaded documents once. So previously you have to edit if it is not correct. And verification officer will verify. Now click on dashboard and you will get this menu. Here you can click on this option and you can see that there is no discrepancy. It will be shown here. Okay. Thank you for watching.